Welcome back to Financial Works, the channel where we help you make money online with simple and effective strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 main types of income that you can generate, and how to earn and leverage each one of them. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how money works, and how you can use it to your advantage. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos on how to make money online. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Alright, let's get started. The 3 main types of income that you need to know are earned income, portfolio income, and passive income. Let's have a look at each one in more detail. Number 1. Earned income is the most common type of income that most people have. It's the money that you make from working a job or providing a service. It includes wages, salaries, tips, commissions, and any other payments that you receive for your time and effort. For example, if you work as a teacher, a nurse, a lawyer, or a plumber, you're making earned income. You're exchanging your skills and knowledge for money. The main advantage of earned income is that it's relatively easy and secure to get. You don't need a lot of capital or experience to start working and earning money. You just need to find a job that matches your qualifications and interests, and you're good to go. You also get a steady and predictable income that you can use to pay your bills and expenses. The main disadvantage of earned income is that it's limited and dependent on your time. You can only work so many hours a day, and you can only charge so much for your services. You also have to deal with taxes, deductions, and other fees that reduce your actual income. And if you lose your job, or get sick, or retire, your income stops. So, how can you earn more money with earned income? Well, there are a few ways to do that. You can 1. Increase your skills and qualifications, and get a higher paying job or a promotion. 2. Negotiate a raise or a bonus with your employer, or ask for more benefits or perks. 3. Start a side hustle or a freelance business, and offer your services to other clients or customers. 4. Create a personal brand or a portfolio, and showcase your expertise and value to potential employers or clients. These are some of the ways that you can increase your earned income, and make more money from your work. But remember, earned income is still limited by your time and energy, so you need to find other ways to make money that don't depend on your active involvement. And that's where the next type of income comes in. Number 2. Portfolio income is the money that you make from your investments. It includes dividends, interest, royalties, and capital gains. For example, if you buy some shares of a company, and they pay you a dividend every quarter, or if you sell them for a higher price than you bought them, you're making portfolio income. You're using your money to make more money. The main advantage of portfolio income is that it's scalable and flexible. You can invest as much or as little as you want, and you can choose from a variety of options and strategies. You can also make money without working, as your investments generate income for you automatically. You can also benefit from compounding, which is when your income grows exponentially over time. The main disadvantage of portfolio income is that it's risky and unpredictable. You can lose money as well as make money, depending on the market conditions and your investment decisions. You also have to deal with fees, taxes, and regulations that affect your returns. And you need to have some capital, knowledge, and patience to start investing and make portfolio income. So, how can you earn more money with portfolio income? Well, there are a few ways to do that. You can 1. Diversify your portfolio, and invest in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. 2. Do your research, and find undervalued or high potential investments that can give you high returns in the long run. 3. Reinvest your income, and use the power of compounding to grow your wealth faster. 4. Learn from the experts, and follow the advice and strategies of successful investors, such as Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, or Robert Kiyosaki. These are some of the ways that you can increase your portfolio income, and make more money from your investments. But remember, portfolio income is still subject to market fluctuations and external factors, so you need to find other ways to make money that are more stable and consistent. And that's where the final type of income comes in. Number 3. Passive income is the money that you make from assets that you own or create, that generate income for you without your active involvement. It includes rental income, business income, online income, and royalty income. For example, if you own a property, and you rent it out to tenants, or if you create a website, and you monetize it with ads or affiliate links, you're making passive income. You're creating value once, and getting paid over and over again. The main advantage of passive income is that it's residual and scalable. You can make money while you sleep, while you travel, or while you do whatever you want. You can also make money from multiple sources, and increase your income without increasing your workload. You can also achieve financial freedom, which is when your passive income exceeds your expenses. The main disadvantage of passive income is that it's not easy or quick to create. You need to invest a lot of time, money, and effort up front, before you see any results. You also need to maintain and update your assets, and deal with any issues or challenges that may arise. And you need to have some skills, creativity, and passion to create valuable and profitable assets. So, how can you earn more money with passive income? Well, there are a few ways to do that. You can 1. Create a digital product, such as an ebook, a course, a software, or an app, and sell it online to a large and targeted audience. 2. Start a blog, a podcast, a YouTube channel, or a social media account, and build a loyal and engaged fan base, and monetize it with ads, sponsorships, or merchandising. 3. Join a network marketing or a direct selling company, and build a team of distributors or affiliates, and earn commissions from their sales and referrals. 4. License your intellectual property, such as a book, a song, a patent, or a trademark, and earn royalties from other people or companies that use it. These are some of the ways that you can increase your passive income, and make more money from your assets. But remember, passive income is still not guaranteed or permanent, so you need to keep creating value and providing solutions to your customers or clients. So, there you have it. These are the 3 main types of income that you can generate, and how to earn and leverage each one of them. As you can see, each type of income has its own advantages and disadvantages, and you need to balance them according to your goals and preferences. The best way to make money online is to have multiple streams of income, and diversify your sources and methods. That way, you can reduce your risk, increase your income, and achieve your financial dreams. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.